I'm Wizard Kimberly, and I'm from the main branch of the Wayne County Public Library here in Worcester, and we are here for Wizard Treats. Today's edition is Polyjuice Potion. So let me show you how to make Polyjuice Potion. You'll need some lemon lime sherbet or some lime sherbet, a 2 liter of lemon lime, a 2 liter of ginger ale, a container to put all that liquid in, and if you want to, some sort of cute jar or thing to drink out of. The first thing we're going to do is take our slightly softened sherbet, and we are going to put that in our bowl. We're just going to kind of spread it around the bottom of the bowl of the container that we're using. And we're going to leave just a little bit left in the original container here to put at the top of our container to drink out of. If you're using a cup or a potion bottle like I am. We're going to add the sodas slowly because it's going to fizz and bubble. And so lemon lime first. Well, it doesn't really matter. I'm just using the lemon lime first. And see, it does foam up quite a bit. Then we're going to add some ginger ale to it. You can slightly stir it to kind of break down some of the foam. It does give kind of a fun effect with all the foam. And I have just enough room in my beverage container to hold. This is a 3-gallon container. And now I'm going to fill my potion jar with our lovely Polyjuice potion. All right, and here we have our lovely Polyjuice potion. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you join me for my next Wizard's Treat. Thank you. Goodbye.